Audio-Technica has taken advantage of CES 2019 to announce the launch of a new Bluetooth headset whose main raison d'etre is to bring noise cancellation closer to the average ranges while maintaining the hi-fi orientation of the brand. The model ATH-ANC900BT, a wireless headset circumaural type with pavilions that can be bent to gain space but do not renounce a 40mm drivers capable of offering a frequency response between 5 Hz and 40 kHz. It incorporates an active noise cancellation system that we can configure by choosing 3 possible different adjustment modes to adapt to different environments. For this we can use the controls located in the pavilion of the headset or directly the Connect application of the brand available for iOS and Android. As for the connections, we have opted for the classic extractable cable of 3.5mm stereo of 1.2 meters that is accompanied by another USB cable to recharge the battery, able to exceed 35 hours of autonomy thanks to the use of the Bluetooth 5.0 wireless standard compatible with aptX, AAC and SBC.